in several locations. Notice how close it is right now to those southern areas, Grady, Thomas, Brooks, even Lowndes County. I put a storm tracker on for those areas to start getting the most impactful portion of this Category 4 hurricane equipment into Valdosta, say within the next 15 to 30 minutes, then heading toward Barrett, as well as Moultrie and even Tifton. They'll be riding northward through South Georgia, coming in with hurricane conditions, and that means a sustained winds above 100 miles an hour. And also these tropical downpours, they'll continue to come in buckets. Along with those heavy downpours, that's when we get some of those stronger winds as well. Now for all of South Georgia, tropical storm conditions will be in place in terms of those tropical storm winds, but there is an extreme wind warning covering Thomas County, Brooks County, Lowndes County, and portions of Eccles County until 2 a.m. Sustained winds above 100 miles an hour. Hunker down, stay exactly where you are. Do not venture outside. Not only because of the extreme wind, but also as a result of those heavy downpours where flash flooding is likely occurring. We do have flash flood warnings covering Mitchell County, Grady County, Thomas County, Brooks, Lowndes County, over into Lanier, as well as Cook and Berrien counties, along with Colquitt County. Flash flood warning until early Friday morning. Now, a high risk for flash flooding continues across South Georgia. It covers most of the area. With the additional rainfall, water will be rising, and that's going to cover many roads across our area. Therefore, do not try to venture out. Stay put until you get the all clear. Tornadoes are still possible for the rest of tonight. Notice that tornado watch covers at least half of South Georgia, stretching over toward and east of I-75 as Helene continues to push northward across our area. So as we move throughout of the rest of tonight, hurricane conditions are expected. We'll have wind gusts, even sustained winds around 100 miles per hour. Those strong winds, of course, are likely to cause widespread damage in terms of downing trees on power lines. We are anticipating power outages. We are getting reports of power outages across portions of the area. And of course, flash flooding is occurring and will continue to occur in many areas for the rest of tonight. That's the very latest for now. I'll have more coming up in just a bit. Back to you, Quinlan and Carla.
All right, Yolanda, thank you. This is a live look now at the Georgia Power outage map. We are hearing there are over 50,000 customers who are without power in South Georgia as Hurricane Helene continues to barrel inland. Right now in Valdosta, 15,000 customers without power. If we look over in Thomasville, I have it up here, 838 customers. And then even in Berrien County, they're also dealing with the customers affected, 568 customers there without power. And we're expecting this number to grow as the night progresses into the morning.
Now, this is video of people sheltering in place in Leon County, Florida. The county school system opening their doors to anyone in need. They say just over 1,600 people and around 230 pets have taken shelter there.
And this is video from Perry, Florida. This is just one of the cities that's lost power in the state, according to Duke Energy. There are around 5,300 active outages. These have impacted over 320,000 people.
And we are continuing to watch as strong winds are causing massive waves. Now, this was from a little bit earlier down in Florida. It's a part of the Fort Myers, Florida area.
And we're just continuing to see more dramatic video come in. This now from Fort Myers Beach. Trash cans in the water, the wind whipping the trees there, and even a stop sign. You can just see how heavy that wind is there.
And new video showing the storm surge and flooding happening in Cedar Key, Florida. Look at that. You see trash and debris in those floodwaters. Not safe at all.
And that's exactly why, like we've been telling you, why these curfews are in place is for reasons such as that. Of course, we're going to get in on some of that flooding. Unfortunately, debris is going to be around flying as well with that, those high wind speeds.
And this information into our